$2, and I was opening the package and then my camera failed. So, you know, here's a package, and I said that there was 2 Rubik's Cubes in here, and I was right. And there was a diamond cube that I have back here. I should get them out. And then one of these, which I already have again, right there. So, but these are still pretty sick. I got these. This actually kind of feels smoother than this one. This one's starting to get really hard, and so I think, and I've been able to solve the 2 layers, but it's pretty hard to solve the last layer. So, you know, and yeah, I think this is better. And it looks cooler against the black, because I like white cubes better, so I don't really know the names of that, but then I got another diamond cube, so got 2 diamond cubes. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't know. This one, I think, let's see, this one turns good, and this one turns a bit better. Yeah, so not much really to say since I already unpackaged kind of the same thing. Yeah, I definitely like this one better, and the colors look better than these. Let's see, like this orange is kind of dark and this one's neon, and it looks way better. So I'm happy, and I bet I could just have like one solved and one mixed. So yeah, that's it for this one. See ya.